Hello, students. Welcome to your AI and Tech class. Today, we are going to explore something really exciting, machine learning. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is machine learning? In simple words, it is a way for computers to learn from data instead of just following strict instructions given by humans. Think about it like this. Normally, when we give instructions to a computer, we tell it exactly what to do step by step. But with machine learning, we don't give it all the rules. Instead, we give it a lot of examples, and the computer figures things out on its own. It learns patterns, just like humans do. Let's imagine a simple example. Suppose you want to teach a computer how to recognize cats. Instead of writing long and complicated rules like a cat has 2 eyes, 4 legs, whiskers, and pointy ears, you simply show the computer thousands of pictures of cats. Some pictures may have big cats, small cats, different colors, different angles. At first, the computer won't understand much, but as it sees more and more examples, it starts noticing patterns. It begins to understand what makes a cat look like a cat. After enough learning, you can show it a completely new picture that it has never seen before, and it will still be able to say, yes, this is a cat. That is the power of machine learning. It learns from experience, just like we do. Now, here's the interesting part. Machine learning is not just something used in labs or by scientists. It is actually a big part of your everyday life. For example, when you watch videos online and you see recommendations that match your interests, that is machine learning working behind the scenes. It studies what you watch, how long you watch, and what you like, and then suggests similar content. Another example is when you unlock your phone using your face. Your phone has learned what your face looks like. It compares your face with stored data and decides whether it's really you. Voice assistants are also a great example. When you speak to them, they understand your words, your accent, and even improve over time. All of this happens because of machine learning. These systems are always learning. The more data they receive, the better they become. That means every time you use these features, you are actually helping improve them. Now, let's try a small activity to understand this concept better. Imagine you make a list of fruits and their colors. For example, apple is red, banana is yellow, orange is orange. When you practice matching these again and again, your brain starts recognizing the pattern. After some time, even if someone shows you a new fruit you've seen before, you can quickly remember its color. This is very similar to how machines learn. Machine learning works step by step. First, it collects data, then it finds patterns in that data. After that, it uses those patterns to make decisions or predictions, and finally, it keeps improving as it gets more data. So the next time you use your phone, watch videos, or talk to a smart assistant, take a moment to think about what's happening behind the scenes. Machine learning is quietly working, learning from data, and making your experience smarter, faster, and more personalized every single day. And who knows, maybe one day you'll build your own machine learning system and teach computers something amazing.